Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Now let's come home. I know you are now a married man, just as I am, so we have some things in common. What is your greatest fear in marriage?
I never want to lose my wife. That's it.
As in lose her to death or out of the marriage?
To anything. I want it to be like this for life. Yeah, that's it. That's all I can say.
I see. So what do you do to prevent that from happening?
We have sex a lot. We have a lot of conversations. We make plans together. We do businesses together. We buy a lot of properties. Last week we just bought some new stuff at East Legon Hills. Crazy. We're working.
So who is the sex addict, you or fella?
Both.
She likes it and you also like it.
I love it. She loves it. That's it.
I see.
Yeah.
How many children do you intend to have?
Maybe 20. I want a lot of children. I used to think that I should just get one boy, one girl, but 4 of them I was like, nah, why don't I create a whole football team, a whole army? Because so that this one go fit take care of me, this one go fit watch me, this one go fit buy me, this one go fit. So I tell my wife, say, yo, we anytime we go pregnant, we go born. No family planning.
I see. So now the island is about some 4 months or 6 months old. Is the next one on the way or yet to? I see.
That's all I can say.
I see. Now your baby's name, Island. I know it became a hot topic for discussion in Ghana. Like in school, those who studied geography, when you say island, we know what we picture. But now it is a name of a young girl, a little baby. Why Island?
Island because she's special. I feel like she's a very special child. She's isolated from a lot of things that breeds in evil and in distractions and demarcations and whatever. And I feel like Island is just special. I love the name Island actually, and then I named an EP after her as well because I wanted to dedicate it to her. So Island Frimpong is basically she's chilling at home right now. Yeah, that's it.
Fela was a girlfriend and now a wife. Would you still be taking her to musical platforms or stages, dance with her? Sometimes you press her ass on stage. Would you still be doing that now that she's a wife?
Oh, you just made me know that I can curse on the radio. We can swear?
Small, not deep.
I mean, yeah, of course, we have fun, so yeah, we're still chilling. But nothing changed ever since we got married, actually. Things are still the same. I mean, even better, but yeah, we're still going to do the same things that we used to do. Whatever we used to do, we're still going to keep doing it.
And do you select which show she follows you to perform on the stage?
No, you know, we actually don't plan that. Sometimes it just happens. Baby, I go this show. Oh, then we go. Okay, then we go. That's it. You know the plan. You already know if you pay out. You know if you pay out. Yeah.
But the other day she said that sometimes she also agrees with you and you guys charge for appearance for her as well.
Yeah, that's when the people want Fela McCaffrey to come with Medikal. That's different. But if I'm going to help my fan, maybe let's say I'm going to the Blacks Club, I'm going to chill. Sometimes she decides to come along with me and then we just go have fun. That's it.
Now, as big brands like you, I know sometimes wives are uncomfortable when ladies are all around you. Is Fela sometimes showing some of these signs?
Like what?
Like jealousy. Maybe she's seen you with another lady here and, babe, what's up? Why are you there? That kind of vibe.
I mean, if your girlfriend or wife no be jealous, she know they love you. That's all I can say.
So it's obvious that she has been jealous sometimes.
Of course.
But does it affect business also sometimes? Because I know when it becomes too much. Now, even when you have to go do business, you are thinking about what your wifey will say.
No, it doesn't affect business. Yeah.
She knows when to come in and when not to come in.
Yes, please.
Are you still a friend to Sister Debbie?
I mean, I don't get any enemy. That's all I can say. I don't have any problems with no one and all. But yeah, she's doing her thing, and I'm also in my lane right now.
But no conversation, or still you guys have a conversation sometimes?
No, please.
No conversation at all. Wow. El Chamano is with me in the studio, and I know it has been a great vibe. Now, Elchamana, let's talk about industry. Not long ago, Okreku Mante's name has come up as Deputy Minister Designate for our creative art industry. So many people have come up with their positions, what they think about him. Not long ago, Shatawale, for instance, went hard and wild on him. What is your position on Okreku as our Deputy Minister for Tourism and Arts?
I mean, I don't know much about that, but if he is, I really hope he ensures that our music and our creative art industry emerge. You get me, gets better and better. That's all I can say.
But do you know much about him? Maybe what he's been able to achieve for him to get that position that controls what you do for Survivor?
Obviously, I've seen that he does touch some angles. I've seen a couple of articles and stuff, but I don't really know much about him. Yeah, but whatever he's doing, the position he has been given, make sure say go fit sport there for we, then make things get better. That way all I go fit up.
Nice one. Yeah. After winning the best rapper in the VGMAs, has it added something to brand Medikal?
I mean, it just brought clarity that maybe Medikal really the rap. That's it. Yeah, because I mean, sometimes some people want to see plaques and stuff before they believe in your craft that much. So that's all I can say. Just make people know, say, Medikal in coach really the rappers.
But are you boastful about it that, hey, in Ghana, I am holding the best rapper crown?
No, the thing is, say, me, before I was given that award, I knew that I was best at what I was doing. Yeah, so I've been boastful since. You know, the award will come spark my level of boasting, you understand? I mean,
you have been tipped that this year most of the music award schemes you're going to have, Medikal stands tall in winning the ultimate, maybe Vodafone Ghana Music Awards, maybe 3 music awards. The other day when your wife came here, she also confirmed that yes, based on your hard work, she thinks you deserve to win in most of these ultimate award categories. Would you be surprised when maybe at the end of the day some of these things swerve you?
I mean, it'd be normal. This is not the first time. If you swear me, it's not going to be the first time you swear me. They nominate me 7 times, like I think 3-4 years ago. I didn't even get one. From that time, I still say no. It's not even about awards, because after that, I still kept going hard and hard. There's people have won Artist of the Year, and then like nobody hear from them like over the past few years. You understand? So it's not even about award. Like plaques are fine. I mean, if I win, I'll be happy. Of course, who doesn't love to win? But if I don't, I mean, I'm just trying to make money and then make my family happy and make myself happy and entertain my fans. That's all I can say.
Let's go back. I think before we started this year, you were in USA for some recording deals. You stayed there for some time. What really was the agenda?
So I went to Audio Mac. I was dropping an album, and they were part of the people promoting the album for me as well. So I went there, we had a little discussion and recorded a couple of songs as well. Yeah.
And are they out? The songs, are they yet to come out, or they are going to be different?
Yeah. I mean, I already dropped the La Hustle.
It was one of the songs.
Yeah, it was last year. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And La Hustle, I hear it has done 1 million streams already.
Yes, please.
What does it mean? More money, more hard work?
It means more happiness.
Okay.
Yeah. But La Hustle is actually a very deep song. It's actually like a gospel. People should consider it to be, because they tell you, say, you for look for money, you for hustle, like no matter where you did, because Dangote still they look for money, you understand? Even Akufo-Addo, you understand? As then they do this election, he did campaign again, because you can't be comfortable, you get me, no matter what, you still keep wanting more and more, even though he's already been a president before, you get me? And even Mahama's been a president before, but I wanted to come and see again. So obviously, I feel like everybody should hustle, everybody should look for money. Yeah.
Are we going to do the Sotum concert again? The Welcome Back to Sotum concert?
Yeah, we go do them. We go do them.
Because I know so many issues happened, and I was thinking they might have discouraged you from doing it again.
Yeah, I mean, we go do them still. Let's pray this virus will be eradicated, so we can commence our normal lifestyle, because the president just shut down social gatherings again, you get me? And then a lot of people are starving. Me, like myself, I'm a musician, and then you know, when you ban social gatherings and stuff, obviously it means no concerts for us and that. So I'm praying this virus disappears so we can come back to our normal lives. Yeah.
When you are home, how father is Medikal?
I'm a very sweet person. For those who don't know, a lot of people see me like this hard guy. I mean, to be a jump. normal. Bema be as something enough for what I say, normal. But at the end of the day, you know, you have to make sure you straighten things at home as well. Like, I want my daughter to have the best life. I want her to be able to make decisions where she feels it go favor. If maybe I see she dey meander in a different way, I can correct or try to straighten her as well. So I can't say I'll be the best dad, but I'll make sure I do my best.
So do you even get time to play with her like the way fathers do, carry their babies around?
Yeah, of course. I'm always playing with my baby. I'm always watching her. I'm always having fun with her. Yeah, she's lovely and she's growing. She's 5 months. She turned 5 months 2 days ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
Shout outs to Island Friend Paul, man.